In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your DocuSign subscription. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each step to ensure you can complete it smoothly. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to visit the DocuSign website, which you can easily access through your preferred web browser. DocuSign is widely recognized for its electronic signature solutions, making document management much more efficient. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right part of the home page where you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed. After you're logged in, you will be redirected to your DocuSign homepage, the central hub where all your documents and recent activities are displayed. It's worth having a quick look around here to check any pending signatures or unfinished business, just to ensure you're not leaving anything critical behind before proceeding with the cancellation. Next, you'll want to locate the admin button, which is usually situated towards the upper part of the interface. Clicking on admin will take you to the administrative section of your account, where you'll be able to manage various settings and preferences. Once in the admin section, the next step is to find and click on the plan and billing option. This section is crucial because it contains all details related to your current subscription plan. Here you'll have a clear view of your billing history, plan details, and the cancellation options available to you. Now here's a tip. Before you proceed with the cancellation, it's good practice to double check your billing cycle and any cancellation fees that might apply. Understanding these details will help avoid any surprises down the line. If your intent is to switch plans rather than cancel entirely, this section will also provide the options to do so without any hassle. If you're certain about cancelling, the billing page will guide you through this with an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts carefully, as there might be a few confirmation steps just to ensure that this decision is final. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification or email to confirm that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep in mind, cancelling your subscription will impact how you use your account. Ensure all your documents are saved or transferred to your local storage if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to cancel your DocuSign subscription quickly and effortlessly. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties along the way, DocuSign's customer support is available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, take care and stay organized.